Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do give you a recipe of what I do with these mushrooms. So I buy these mushrooms at Costco. So what I do is I clean them out, I hollow them out, and I stuff them with cheese. I like these mushrooms because they're quick to make and they make a great lunch. So what I do is just kind of fill them. That's mozzarella cheese. So I grab the mozzarella cheese and put it in first. You want to make sure that when you are baking these that they're completely dry. So I hollow them out and I wash them and I let them dry, because if you don't let them dry completely, they're gonna get a little watery, which I thought they were completely dry, but they weren't. So you're gonna see a little bit further in that there was a little water on the tray when they came out. But you can pretty much stuff them with anything you want. Sometimes instead of the mozzarella cheese, what I will use is cream cheese, or I can even put a little bit of jalapenos in there with some cream cheese. That is actually really delicious. So you want to bake these for about 15 minutes, I would say. And then if you want to, you can broil them, so then the cheese will come out very crispy. So as you can see right here, they're all ready to be stuffed, and I put them in my little bake oven that I have. It's like a little oven that I have to bake, and you can see there's a lot of water in there. That means that the mushrooms were not completely dry when I put them in there. So you just want to make sure that they're dry, so the water content is not that much. Once I take them out, I put them in, and I actually baked some bacon, and I topped them with the bacon on top, and they were so good. I highly recommend them. I really hope you guys like this video, and I will totally see you guys on the next one. Bye.